When it comes to blending cutting-edge technology with robust outdoor durability, Sylvox stands in a class of its own. Their latest marvel, the Sylvox 55-inch Smart Outdoor TV Pool Pro Series 2.0 generation, is purpose-built for those who want to transform their backyard, patio, or poolside into a premium open-air cinema. This isn't just a TV that survives outside, it thrives outside. Here's why it should be the centerpiece of your outdoor lifestyle. Designed for full sun areas, this 55-inch display boasts an ultra-bright 2000 nit panel, delivering stunning 4K UHD visuals even under direct sunlight. Whether you're enjoying a midday barbecue or hosting a sports night by the pool, every frame stays crisp, colorful, and visible. No more squinting or sun glare ruining the view. Rain or shine, the Sylvox Pool Pro Series 2.0 is built to endure the elements. With an IP55 rated aluminum alloy housing, it resists water, dust, humidity, salt air, and even insects, making it ideal for coastal areas, rooftop patios, or anywhere Mother Nature shows her mood swings. This isn't just an outdoor display, it's a full-fledged smart TV powered by Google TV. Enjoy access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and thousands of apps via the Google Play Store. Voice control through Google Assistant lets you launch your favorite show, adjust volume, or check the weather.